Welcome to the first episode of Season 2 of Factual Friday. China tasted its own medicine when India banned 59 Chinese apps. Communist China has banned multiple global apps citing security. India, which is the second largest internet market in the world, has the right to block apps that risk data security and privacy of its 1.3 billion citizens. We bring you the impact that the ban will have on the Indian startup ecosystem. So what happens after the ban? Google and Apple will have to take down the banned apps from their stores. Internet service providers will block the apps from accessing the server. Apps, those working offline, will not be able to support updates or developer support. Some apps may come pre-installed with Chinese phones, which dominates 80% of the Indian market. New Chinese banned apps cannot be downloaded. China after the ban. India is well within its legal rights to ban the app due to concerns of national security. The former Attorney General of India, Mukul Rohatgi, refused to represent TikTok against the government of India. So the new question is, are the stakes high for both sides? Maybe not for India. The loss is notional, as this ban provides Indian startups to grow and thrive in the social media space. Some 2,500 Indians were working for banned apps. New Indian entities can absorb these human resources. TikTok users and influencers now have a chance to go desi. ByteDance, the world's most valued startup, which owns social media platforms TikTok, Hello and Vigo Video, boasted of 120 million active users and 611 million lifetime downloads on TikTok alone. Many of the popular TikTok users were paid a monthly retainer fee of $1,000 to $1,500. Few of them were also paid $10,000 a month to promote TikTok on other platforms. These influencers still have the opportunity to switch their user base to other social media platforms. But the question is, will they get the top dollars? Indian traders used WeChat for trading with the Chinese business. They lose big time, as for one, other messaging apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. are banned in China. Secondly, many Chinese products may not be welcome in India. The traders will have to switch to other countries like Taiwan, Japan, South Korea or the European Union. India provided the largest user base for TikTok, but when it came to revenue, India was not even in top 10 revenue generators for China. TikTok business generated 25 crores in the quarter ending December 2019 from India. So China can brush off the loss, but the ban is not about the revenue loss. India's move is the first bold step by any nation to challenge Chinese business hegemony. That will hurt China. The threat of other countries following in India's footsteps looms over China, especially from the USA. China loses tapping India's booming digital market, which has been forecasted to grow to 280 billion INR this year. India was the least competitive market for China compared to the USA, which has a large Facebook and Google user base. So, the loss of a growing market will hurt China economically too in the coming years. Vocal for local is the big war cry by India. The ban will galvanize Indian startups, especially the budding entrepreneurs. The economic ties between India and China have mostly been one-sided, with Chinese imports valued at $70 billion. This is in various sectors like consumer goods, pharma, electronics, telecom, etc. But the move has given a boost to the homegrown startups in the Indian internet ecosystem. There is a section of people in India who have questioned Chinese investment into Indian startups. Big Chinese companies continue to be significant investors in companies like Flipkart, Paytm, Paytm Mall, Policy Bazaar, Big Basket, Olo, Oyo, Daily Hunt, etc. We should take a pragmatic approach like the Chinese have been doing for 3 decades. Welcome Chinese money, but not the Chinese business. Let the dragon get the taste of its predatory business rules. We will leave you with few images for all those social media buffs who cannot keep off social media, some alternatives for these banned Chinese apps. Take care. Namaste.